Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add and remove Google account on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on manage accounts. Now to add a Google account to your Samsung phone, just tap on add account. Then select Google. And in this section, just enter your Google account. Once you enter your Google account over here, then tap on next. And in this section, just enter the password of your Google account. After you enter the password of your Google account, then tap on next. Now just scroll down and tap on yes, I'm in. Scroll down and select I agree. And as you can see, we have successfully added a Google account in our Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, if you want to remove your Google account on your Samsung phone, just tap on Accounts and Backup, then tap on Manage Accounts. From here, just select the Google account which you want to remove, then tap on Remove Account, and select Remove. And once you do that, you will remove the selected Google account from your Samsung phone. And this is how you can add and remove Google account on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.